Hey everyone, we're back with another how-to video. Today we're looking at how to add friends on ClassIn. Check for invites from schools or other friends, and also check the friends and classes we currently have. Awesome! Let's go take a look. So we're going to start on the homepage. If we go right to the top, we will see this little plus icon. Click on that and then go to Add Friend. Over here on the right side, we can see the Add Friend screen. If you are using a cell phone number to add the friend, you will have to choose the country code first. You can also add friends with their email addresses, but that's only if they registered with an email instead of a phone number. If you want a friend to add you, you can click on My QR Code to generate a QR code for them to scan, or you can click on Link to send them a link to add you. We can go to the left-hand side of the screen and click on New Friends to look for invites from friends or schools. If we click on Classes, it will show us all the groups and classes we are already a part of. Finally, if we click on Friends, we can see all the friends who have added us on ClassIn. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Now you know how to add friends and check for invites on ClassIn. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe to help our channel grow. For all things ClassIn related, keep it locked to Eureka ESL.